Good morning. To understand the constitutional provisions, you have to go through the constitution by part. Part 1 deals with the territory of constitution, part 2 deals with citizenship, under which now CAA, the Protestant Act, amended act, is being brought into force. Then the part 3. This part 3 commences from Article 12, where authority was defined. Then Article 13 deals with pre-constitutional and post-constitutional laws, if enacted, violating the fundamental rights guaranteed under Part 3, is null and void. Then Articles 14, 15, 16. Then most important article was 31. That was most important article. Because of that, the estate was defined. A lot of cases were worked out. Finally, what had happened? The constitution was amended under 31, and that is being challenged in Minerva Mills case. And this lot of issues are to be gone into about validity of any acts being passed. First case of the constitution was Sembagam Durai Rajan case, and thereafter a lot of cases are there. But in the given case, AR 2020 Supreme Court 1027, Dr. Hiralal vs. State of Bihar, wherein the pension of the servant was withheld, 10% pension was withheld on the ground that criminal prosecution is pending. That was challenged because there was an amendment subsequently, Bihar pension rules, and therefore under that rules, enacted rules, even the cases are pending, the pension and gratuity could be withheld. But prior to that amendment, there was no such case. Only after conviction and departmental approval of inquiry about guilty of the delinquent, then only the pension or gratuity could be withheld. This was challenged. You kindly go through the entirety of judgment. It will help you in developing your argument and interpretation of law, because in the given case, this case was dealt in a different way, so that how the courts are deciding the issues. In the given case, the Vivekanandan Prasad vs. State of Bihar case was discussed, and Bhagavat Singh cases, Union of India. This case was also discussed. The ratio of the court was that the pension and other service benefits or property, in view of section 331 earlier, and because the 19F was deleted, denying the property as fundamental right, section 300A was introduced, that right of property became constitutional right. Therefore, to understand the constitution, kindly go through the entirety of judgment, and particularly article 31, 1 of the constitution. Finally, they said that the authority have no power to withhold the pension prior to bringing the amendment, and when amendment was brought in, from the date of amendment, the pension of 10% may be withheld. This is the ratio. Kindly go through the judgment. You can develop slow by slow how to interpret the laws and decide the issues on the basis of statutory rules, that is 309. 309 constitution is most important because it only contemplates how government servants are being regulated. Unless and until rules are framed under section 309 being approved by legislation as well as the President of India, that any rules or subsequent notification may not have effect unless and until this statutory rules empowers the competent authority to pass such orders or rules. Best wishes.